You guys, can you believe it? It's December the 20th, it's Saturday, and we're having a giveaway! So, comment below, let me know what you want, and if you are the winner, you might get what you want. So from Harrods on the 20th, we have Augustinus Bader with the face oil with the TFC 8. It's 10 milliliters or 0.33 fluid ounces. So that's really good. As I said before, I like serums, face oils, as long as it does something good for my skin, I'll take it. Day 20 from Cult Beauty. Oh, wow. Seriously? This is so good. First of all, we got this from DANESSA MYRICKS. It's Linework. It's a paintbrush fluid eyeliner. Looks like this. We will take a look inside also. It's in the shade Onyx. That's beautiful. And then, I love this one. This is from NATASHA DENONA. It's the mini Xenon palette. It's a 5-shade palette. It's this one. Let me open it so you can see it, like that. And let me do some swatches. So from the top, going down, we have Blackest Black, Gloom, Chromatic, Mist, and Puff. You can hardly see Puff, but I hope you can see the other ones. So this is a mini Xenon palette from NATASHA DENONA. So I think I have to practice a little bit with these colors, but I like the eyeshadows from NATASHA DENONA, so this can be really good. And now for day 20, SpaceNK. We have to give it some room because it's a huge one. Wow. Oh my goodness, it's so heavy also. Day 20, and it's really heavy. Oh wow. Oh, one of my favorite from Sol de Janeiro, Delícia Drench Shower Oil. Cherryosa 59 fragrance. This one, you guys. Wow. This is a full size, I promise you. So this is 13 fluid ounces or 385 milliliters. Oh, and that smell. It's so good. Wow. I think I have to keep this one myself. To be honest, I love this. I just love it. So that was day 20, you guys. It's only 4 days till Christmas, and I hope you're ready. I am not ready, but I will be. I will be. I'm almost ready. I'll see you again tomorrow for day 21. And remember to comment below. Remember, it's a giveaway day today. So comment below and I will announce the winner tomorrow or Monday. Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye.